Breaking news. Welcome to OI Charts Premarket Brief, 24 November 2025. First news: oil prices declined, with Brent crude trading near $62 per barrel. This marks an almost 3% weekly fall due to concerns that a potential Ukraine-Russia peace deal may impact crude supply. Second news: Adani Connex acquired Trade Castle Tech Park for Rs 231.34 crore. This acquisition aims to strengthen infrastructure facilities, with completion expected by 25 November 2025. Third news: Power Grid Corporation partnered with the Nepal Electricity Authority to develop two high-capacity cross-border transmission projects. This partnership boosts regional energy cooperation. Fourth news: Nifty is just 210 points away from its all-time high. The rupee dropped to Rs 89.49 per US dollar, triggering Rs 1,700 crore worth of foreign equity sell-offs. Fifth news: the Indian rupee hit a record low of Rs 89.48 per US dollar. It fell 0.8% amid concerns over US Federal Reserve rate cuts and trade uncertainties. Sixth news: REMCL awarded a 1,000 megawatt round-the-clock renewable tender at Rs 4.35 per kilowatt-hour. Acme Solar secured the entire 1 gigawatt, strengthening renewable energy momentum. Seventh news: India's imports of Russian crude oil are expected to drop sharply from 1.7 million barrels per day to 400,000 barrels per day by January. This is due to new U.S. sanctions effective 21 November 2023. Eighth news: Godrej Properties surpassed its financial year 2026 business target of Rs 20,000 crore. This was achieved by acquiring a 75-acre land parcel in Nagpur for 1.7 million square feet of residential development. Ninth news: a total of 430 companies reported positive earnings in the third quarter of 2025. Large caps reported at 37% and mid-caps leading at 50%, highlighting mid-cap strength. 10th news: Nifty closed near 26,100 on 24 November 2025. Cautious trading is expected due to profit booking and a weak rupee weighing on market sentiment. 11th news: India's equity markets may face increased volatility this week. This is as crucial macroeconomic data, including second quarter GDP and industrial production, are scheduled to be released. 12th news: the Finance Ministry is reviving a merger plan for 3 state-owned insurance companies. This is to improve operational efficiency following a Rs 17,450 crore capital infusion. 13th news: Zen Technologies completed the acquisition of 76% of Anawave Systems. This acquisition enhances its capabilities in the defense technology sector. 14th news: ABM Knowledgeware reported a 46% decline in its second quarter net profit to Rs 202 crore. Revenue stood at Rs 2,208 crore, indicating margin pressures. 15th news: 7 major companies collectively added Rs 1.28 lakh crore in market capitalization last week. This was led by Reliance Industries and Bharti Airtel, reflecting strong investor sentiment. 16th news: Kotak Mahindra Bank approved a 5-for-1 stock split. This reduces the face value from Rs 5 to Rs 1, aimed at increasing liquidity and promoting retail participation. 17th news: Indigo is set to replace Tata Motors in the Sensex, beginning 22 December 2023. IDFC First Bank will join the BSE 100 index. 18th news: SEBI introduced a threshold-based framework for related party transactions. This defines materiality for companies with up to Rs 20,000 crore turnover as transactions exceeding 10% of annual turnover. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.